Ever wondered what it's like to work on the edge, where every day could be your last? From the soaring heights to the depth of the sea, today we are diving into the top 10 most dangerous jobs in the world. These professions demand not just skill and bravery, but a true dedication to the work despite the risk. So buckle up and let's explore some of the toughest jobs out there. At number 1, we have the logging workers. Imagine maneuvering massive machinery through rugged terrains, felling trees that can weigh thousands of pounds. The risk: heavy machinery can malfunction and a single miscalculated cut can turn a tree into a deadly weapon. Logging is a job where every move counts and the margin of error is razor thin. Yes, you have got to be on your toes out here. One wrong move and it could be game over. At number 2, we sail into the world of fishers and related fishing workers. It might sound peaceful, but the open sea is anything but. These workers face unpredictable weather, towering waves, and the constant threat of equipment failure. The sea is unforgiving, and a simple trip for fish can quickly turn into a battle for survival. Number 3 on our list are aircraft pilots or flight engineers. Every flight is a high-stakes journey where they navigate through adverse weather, handle mechanical issues, and ensure the safety of every passenger on board. The most dangerous moments: takeoffs and landings. It's a job that demands precision, focus, and calm demeanor, even when the skies are anything but calm. Coming in at number 4 are roofers. Working high above the ground, roofers are constantly at risk of falling. One slip and it could be a catastrophic fall. Add in the fact that they are often working under the scorching sun with tools that can be just as dangerous, and you have got a job that's not for the faint of heart. At number 5, we have refused and recyclable material collectors. They may not be working at great heights or battling the elements, but the danger they face are just as real. Exposure to hazardous materials, sharp objects, and heavy machinery makes this job far from easy. It's a role that often goes unrecognized, but one that keeps our communities clean and safe. Number 6 on our list are structural iron and steel workers. These brave individuals work on towering structures, often hundreds of feet in the air, with nothing but a harness to keep them safe. The risk of fall is incredibly high, and the heavy steel beams they work with can be lethal if not handled correctly. It's a job that requires both physical strength and mental fortitude. Rolling in at number 7 are truck drivers. Long hours on the road, fatigue, and the constant threat of accidents make this one of the most dangerous jobs out there. They are the lifeblood of our economy, transporting goods across the country, but the risks they face every day are immense. At number 8, we find farmers, ranchers, and agricultural managers working with heavy machinery, unpredictable animals, and exposure to harsh weather conditions. These workers face dangers that many of us never consider. Yet, they are the backbone of our food supply, toiling day in and day out to keep us fed. Number 9 on our list are construction laborers. From handling heavy equipment to lifting massive loads, the risks are endless. They are constantly exposed to hazardous conditions, whether it's the risk of injury from machinery or accident from falls. Construction sites are busy, chaotic, and dangerous places. And finally, at number 10, we have electrical power line installers and repairers. These workers brave extreme heights and severe weather to keep our lights on. The risk of electrocution is ever present, and the dangers only multiply during storms when they are most needed. It's a job where one mistake can be fatal, making it one of the most dangerous professions in the world. These jobs are not just about earning a paycheck. They are about dedication, resilience, and courage. The next time you see one of these workers, take a moment to appreciate the risk that they take every day. Their work keeps our world running, often at great personal risk. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible facts from around the world. Thanks for watching.